This is Lesson 8 in the Mr. Circuit STEM Coloring Activity Book. This lesson is about NPN transistors. In an electronic circuit, NPN transistors can be used to amplify current. NPN transistors come in many sizes, shapes, and colors. NPN transistors are used in radios, TVs, cell phones, computers, and more. They are also used in circuits like burglar alarms and other control circuits. A picture of an NPN transistor is shown at the bottom right-hand side of the page. It has 3 leads or wires sticking out of it. The 3 leads are named emitter, base, and collector. This NPN transistor is known by the part number 2N3904. On page 8, you see that the Mr. Circuit robot is cranking the pedals on the bicycle sprocket, making the rear wheel move very fast. The artist is showing a small wheel, the sprocket, is moving a large wheel, the rear tire. This is called amplification. An NPN transistor actually does something similar. A transistor uses a small current to control a larger current. In the case of an NPN transistor, the current that flows into the emitter and out the base is smaller than the current flowing into the emitter and out the collector. Engineers design circuits using NPN transistors. What does an NPN transistor do in a circuit? At the bottom of the page, what does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, an NPN transistor can be used as a current amplifier. At the middle of the bottom of the page, you will see a typical schematic symbol that is used by engineers and technicians to represent an NPN transistor. Notice that it has 3 leads coming out of a circle. The E is for emitter, the B is for base, and the C is for collector. The arrowhead pointing to the emitter means that this is an NPN transistor. Please copy this NPN transistor symbol into the box on the lower right-hand corner of the page. Here are some important things that you were taught in this lesson. 1. What an NPN transistor does in a circuit. 2. What the schematic symbol is for an NPN transistor. And 3. How to spell and pronounce NPN transistor. Now finish this lesson by coloring in the Mr. Circuit robot. Now remember, when you complete this STEM technology book, you will receive a certificate of completion.